Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all very easy and quick red lips Valentine's Day makeup look. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be moisturizing my face with my favorite moisturizer, that is Plum moisturizer. I'll be leaving the links of all the products in description box, so please do not forget to check it out. So now I'll be using a sunscreen because I was just going out for some event and that was daytime. That's the reason I didn't skip sunscreen. So after that, I have moisturized my lips with a lip balm, that's baby lips. And for primer, I have used this Wet n Wild dewy primer. It gives a nice glow to our face, you guys. It gives really nice glow. It's a very nice hydrating primer. I like it very much, especially if you have dry skin. Try it out, it's a good one. Now for foundation, I have used this Stay Quirky foundation. They have got various shade, I think 10 shades, which is great. So I have taken a kind of matching shade to my skin tone, and I'll be just applying it as a concealer. I won't be using it as a foundation because I don't find the need to use it as a foundation. For me, I just need to just cover up my dark spots, that's it. So after that, I'll be setting my face with a compact powder. This is from Color Bar, so I've used this Color Bar compact powder, and I'll be taking a little bit of that compact powder extra on sponge, and I'll be applying it under to my eye so that if there is any fallout of eyeshadow, it is easier to remove that. Now I've taken that brown transition shade from this is Wet n Wild Nudes palette, and then I've applied it on crease. After that, I've taken burgundy shade and applied it on my outer corners, and then I'll be just blending it very well. This is an absolutely gorgeous palette, you guys, especially this particular shade. It is a rose gold foil shade. It's so gorgeous. I mean, I absolutely love it. After that, I'll be taking that matte highlighting shade and then blending crease once again so that it has got that blended look. And then I'll be taking that shade again and then highlighting my brow bone very well so that my eyebrows just pops up. And then for filling in my brows, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. It's a good one, and especially that spoolie, both spoolie and eyebrow pencil is very good. And then I'll be using this NYB eyeliner. I think they have got three colors: blue, green, and black. Three of them are really good. I think for the price we pay, it's good actually. It's just for $100, and I think for $100 it's good. Now I've just drawn a very small wing liner, and then I'll be using this Phases mascara. This is again a good one. I wouldn't say it is the best mascara, but then it's a okay good mascara. And then I'll be just dusting off that extra powder, and then I'll be using the same eyeliner and then just drawing to my 3/4 of my eyes. With that same eyeliner, and then taking that black shade. Just for that black shade, you can buy this Wet n Wild Nudes palette. I mean, it's really nice dark black shade, and then I'll be just applying to my waterline very well, and then taking again that nude shade, I'll be just highlighting my inner corners. And for blush, I have used this Palladio blush. It can be used as highlighter and as well as blush, so it's a two-in-one product. Even if you want, you can use it as a lip tint as well as eyeshadow. It's a very good product, you guys. It's a really nice blush as well as a highlighter. Now using the Stay Quirky foundation stick in the darkest shade, it is in the shade number 8, I guess. I'm just contouring. Look at this contouring shade, you guys. It's really affordable. It's just for $250, and I think for $250 you won't get a nice contour shade, because most of the contouring shades are not a contouring shade for dusky skin people. So I think it's a great buy. You should try it out. If you are looking for a affordable contouring shade, you can definitely check this out. And then I have blended it very well using the same sponge. And then for lips, I am using this gorgeous red shade lip crayon from Purple. It's a nice red shade which is going to suit all skin tone. I really like it because it just brightens up my skin tone, and it's a gorgeous shade, you guys, and it's very affordable as well. So this completes my makeup. I forgot to apply makeup setting spray, so I was planning to apply this Wet n Wild makeup setting spray. You can definitely use the one of your choice. So this is my outfit. I have bought this from Amazon, and it was pretty affordable. It was just for 500 or 600 rupees, and it's a good one actually. And that's it. What about my earrings are from Orna box. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. But then I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.